You will be amazed by this 2025 Lincoln Nautilus. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Make every drive count in this comfortable, capable Lincoln Nautilus, the midsize two-row crossover that brings you the luxury of a sedan and an SUV. At home, in the city, or exploring scenic byways, this spacious, well-equipped vehicle is your calm oasis in a hectic world. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, satellite radio, power liftgate, backup camera, heated mirrors, heated front seat, power passenger seat. Don't miss the opportunity to experience a new level of comfort and versatility. Get behind the wheel of this luxurious Nautilus. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.